इधर
2 months child.
इसको घर
ये जो भी है ना
मैं पूछूंगा
अरे क्या कुत्ते
सही कि हमारा ये
ये जितना भी इश्यूज है ना
ये नंबर
जैसे अब छोटा 2 महीने का बच्चा
कभी
हुआ,
मैं
और जो भी है जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के हाथ में।
तुमने लिखा था
जैसे एक इंसिडेंट हुआ उसमें लैटी था शायद, और ये जितनी भी घटनाएं दूसरा और कोई नाइंसाफी हो गई, ये सब ना जितने भी सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं उनके लेटर हेड पे लिखवा करके आप मेरे को दीजिए, देन आई विल स्पीक टू सी। बट यू नो ऑन माय ओन लाइक यू नो मैनी ऑफ यू कहाँ गए हमारे समझिए को बोला ना
समय
वो बैठा उधर छोटा ब्रदर को मैं ये बोल रहा है कि देखो है क्या कि हमारा जो है ना फर्स्ट प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि बीसीस को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वो आई एम फर्स्ट बीसी एंड देन कांग्रेस because I met you when I was not a congressman. I was a social person like you all. So the thing is we want concrete action, and when we say something verbally, there is no record, no documentation, and nobody takes action. So they delay action, they avoid action. But once the things become documented, they are forced to take action. Like when I first came to Hyderabad in Hyderabad University for Dharna on caste census, I met people like you. Yeah? So they said कि भाई कांग्रेस के गवर्नमेंट होगी कास्ट सेंसस की फायदा किया था क्यों नहीं किया? They were all angry. Then I said, look, I'm with you. I'm not a congressman. At that time I was not a congressman. So, but there is a way of doing it. You cannot get things by just by making protest. So what he did, he assembled many orders. And there was tourist plaza also. And invited me at 9 a.m. And I told him that I want to speak. You will speak inside. And I got to speak at 8 p.m. From 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Achha. But they gave all the letter organizations were demanding. So I communicated your demand to Rahul Gandhi. Okay. When he became aware, I don't know what happened after that. But within a week, your caste census was declared. You agree?
Yes.
So we have to do things so that our actions are very effective and they fetch results. So all these things are very important to me and very sensitive. But we have to go through the right procedure so that we get results. So, राहुल जी, जो भी इनका कंप्लीट करके आप दो और उनसे ना इनके लेटर हेड पे आप लिखवा करके ठीक है मेरे पास फिर वो हो जाएगा 10 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का मैं फोटो कॉपी लगा करके देन आई विल स्पीक टू वेयर एवर आई नीड टू स्पीक जहाँ मेरे को बात करना होगा मैं करूँगा वो मेरा
ప్రధాన ఎజెండా అయితే ఈ కుమ్మరి గంట
No. That is barbaric. That does not happen in civilized society. You know, we have a constitution, we have rules. It's just because the lady married a boy was obviously or so that could be one of the reasons that happened. Some caste superiority, feeling of caste superiority, which is unconstitutional. right? So we have to stand up. We need not to go down there. Household power they may be, but we are with truth.
అందుకే చెప్పాలి ఫస్ట్
No, it's good that we did, but you know, after visiting the village, what you find there, you make a report. Document that. And always documentation. I work with like my elder brother gave me document, and I was able to do something. All of this is my brother. Even SCs are also my brother. Thousand concept.
planning like the OBC column, because the central government has mandated they are mandating caste. So how we can, what is the planning, how we can incorporate OBC column, how we can pressure them, what is the schedule?
I raised this question with census commission because now I have an official position in Congress. So using that official position, when I write to census commissioner, that means Congress party is writing to census commissioner. But this government is authoritative, dictatorial government. So they have not even replied. But I raised this issue and so they replied through Press Information Bureau of Government of India. They issued a press statement that there is someone who is misleading people. That is Shara. Or by ऐसा नहीं है caste census, we will get caste census, but we will announce December 2027. कच्चा house में there is a roof is पक्का और कच्चा. These things are very important. Whether they have television and computer in their home. So why not OBC policy? My party is always fights more forcefully than even me. I have been all my life but right now there is no political leader in the whole country. The way he takes some decisions. You tell me, I agree with you, because your voice is my voice. What I want it to be written in this document and brought to me, then I will take action like we did for Kasa.
जो भी है रिजल्ट बनाई जाता है as per the founders proposal, all the BC supported the founders. The association is needed to 50 votes.
No, listen. Right now, whether you believe it or not believe, there are two political forces, two social forces which are confronting each other. At one place, there are forces of inequality forces, Manuvadi forces, who believe that this person is superior because he is born in such a caste, and this person is inferior because he is born in OBC caste. Right? So they want to promote inequality, and their ideal world is the world which was there during Manusmriti. That is their ideal. That is their goal, I don't think. That is why you say all the money going to Adani and Ambani. They want all money to have few people of public caste. All power. In the hands of people. Like Manusmriti says, that power should be with Brahmins, Kshatriyas and Vaishyas. Shudras and other OBCs and scheduled caste people and scheduled tribe people. They are laborers. They are laborers. But they were not allowed to keep wealth or money. They will work on the field and they will get just other food so that they survive to work next day also. So we are fighting that. But you know, they have camouflaged their fight. They have camouflaged their fight in the name of Hindutva. ये तो हिंदुत्व के नाम है, वो कुछ नहीं है. हिंदुत्व means ब्राह्मणवाद. They want to create a private nation. They're all power, all money, and the rest. And we believe in equality. We respect Brahmins also. We respect Kshatriya and Vaishya. And we say that they are equal to us. We don't say that they are not equal to us or they are below us. Our attitude is humanism. Their attitude is barbaric. So that is the fight. But all the technology is in their hands. All TV channels, WhatsApp, they control WhatsApp, Facebook.